Party and Jack move on a bumbo clot. Jack, me not have nothing against you, but me want kick in your kidney, make you spit the testicles through your mouth. That me want do to you, Jack. Move your blood clot, me hate Jack now. Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Yeah. And today we're here with Does the Shoe Fit? Season 5, episode 4. First, me I watch this. Never watched it before. Never watched any of the season before. Just came up in my recommendation, so I'm jumping into it. Philly, Unknown T, Jack fight over Mari. So Philly, Unknown T, and Jack fight over Mari. Does the shoe fit? This is what I am reacting to right now. So we're gonna jump straight into it and see what is happening. Alright, let's go.
And then stay there. Oh, he's trying to hold it! Oh, sh! Genuinely, rotate your right leg. Should I grab my ting? Oh, sh! Should I grab my ting?
Hey, man. Yeah. Yo, guys, it's Tux. Yeah, man, this your boy, Young Philly, and we are
Shout out Foot Asylum. Big up on yourself, Foot Asylum.
back with season 5 of Does the Shoe Fit?
Oh, season just started.
I'm taking a back seat today. I'm not going on the dates.
I'll be honest, brother.
Listen, I won 3 out of 4. I'm trying to give you a lot of chance. I'm the gal and glucose.
I'm the girl named Glucose. Yeah, man, I'm the girl named Glucose, dog.
We're gonna have to welcome back my arch nemesis, the only guy that has a crown. It's Jack Bolo. What are you saying?
Hi, people. What's going on?
Yeah, man, we're out here, man.
He does a genre of drill, but he can do it all. He goes by the name of Unknown T.
Unknown T.
And on my left-hand side, he goes by the name of Ohan.
Yo, buddy.
And last. What's that?
9p.
Okay, you lot got your own team.
9p.
Say no more.
Prank patrol.
As you know, the man will be going on speed dates, and the person who gets the most votes out of the girls actually win. So who's ready?
Me!
Ready? Well, let's get going.
Let's get some pum pum wet.
Unknown T, man. Okay. She at. Samara. She at.
Last one.
This is the first. Ooh, body.
Body yoddy shaped like cola.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Alhan, you alright?
Oh, so he's got 4 minutes.
Alhan, is it M-A-R-A?
Yeah.
So the name backwards is Aram.
Yeah.
Bro, why would you even go there, sir?
Aram.
No, I don't like that.
No, sorry.
So come sit.
Explain in the comment section to me. Are they actually trying to get a date, or them just messing about? Which one is it? Tell me.
Come sit. Can't get my eyes off her.
How long is it?
Long.
Really long.
What country you reckon? I think you asked her. Oof, Jamaican Indian.
It has 9 inches. You look like a 5-inch kind of guy.
Oh, did you hear that?
She asked him how long is it? Was it the hair? He said 9 inches. She said you look like a 5-inch kind of.
That.
I don't really like love right now.
I
Love
hear you.
is a
I'm
bit
the same.
yikes. But
You don't like the commitment?
I'm here for a good time, not a long time.
I like that. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. At least you're honest. I like that.
Have you had sex in the last week?
No.
No.
That's a bit of an appropriate question.
Yeah, when I asked that already. We're on them man, them not a game or what?
She went, that's a bit of an inappropriate question.
So why are we here?
I need something for tonight.
Okay, do you want to get checked out before tonight happens?
Yeah, maybe, for
Okay.
sure. So,
Don't let me know the results, I don't want to know.
It's a bit sassy, isn't it?
have you ever met someone from the hood?
Hey, she's so beautiful, though.
I can handle the hood.
She's nice.
Yeah.
She's
I
nice.
got one of my boys coming.
Really?
No, I set you up.
He's very cute.
Okay, bring him in.
I'm gonna bring him in.
T, that's sick, he's lining you up.
He keeps his glasses on. Glasses
What's his plan? This was not planned.
are cute. What are you doing?
You never seen these before?
No.
You know, I came for vibes today.
Yeah.
He's not getting no. Nothing. Not a sniff.
Nothing a sniff.
What toys do you like?
don't really like toys.
You don't like toys?
No.
Are you more of a skin, flesh?
Yeah.
I like you know.
Can't lie. Wallahi, you know, to be honest. She naughty.
Who you most excited?
She naughty. Yeah, she about the life there. She naughty, Bridget.
I'm just gonna be a wingman and line my boys up.
If we come with the correct game plan, it could be long.
Who have you got for me?
It's time. It was lovely to meet you, Mara.
You too.
Take care.
Alright, nice though, Mara.
I said we got to save T the best till last though.
T, she likes hood, man. Don't this up.
You know what? She's probably got ballers on her. Ballers.
Yeah, oh,
for the road and that. Like, listen, the way you teed him up was quite.
Teed him up.
my guy.
I know teed him up.
He said, well gone, babe.
Hello.
You telling me you're good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're looking Contestant.
Why? Cheating.
One question, man, before we start. Where you been all my life?
Where have I been all your life?
Where you been all my life?
Where you been all my life? Where you been all my life?
Yeah, you're from Luton, Manchester.
Yeah.
Where do you prefer first?
Manchester.
Miami?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's got the
yeah.
vibes up there. To live in London, yikes.
I know, you
What?
just gotta be around the right energy though, innit? You get me?
Yeah. Once you do this one.
Yeah, she like him. She like him because she know who he is.
Yeah, I think she's genuinely nervous.
What's your star sign?
I'm a Pisces.
Pisces.
Yeah.
Leo, you know.
She like him, man.
Yeah. You're very sexual.
I'm very sexual.
Yeah.
I haven't said one thing sexual though.
You haven't?
She like him. She know who he is. She knows that he's a famous rapper. She like him. She like him. She's about that life.
I think it's the vibes.
You're fiery. You're a Leo.
She's coming onto him.
Where am I from? From Ormond, East
So
London.
you sung.
Yeah, that was me.
That was you.
Yeah.
Don't do that. You knew who he was from the minute he walked
No, I
in.
don't.
Oh,
I don't.
Yeah, no, I can't never know who. What she? Yo, come on, man.
You're a Leo.
Where am I from? From Ormond, East
So
London.
you sung.
Amberton B from East London.
Yeah, that was me.
That was you.
Yeah.
don't do that. You knew who he was from the minute he walked in.
Yeah,
I actually
My
don't
mum,
think
I
she
don't
did.
think she did.
I don't think she did.
I think she did. I think she did.
Reckon? That was a genuine reaction, fam.
Humble thing though, innit? You get me? I don't go off like that.
You're humble.
We grilled him first episode, but you know what? He's played it slow and steady and he's winning the race, fam.
So what's your type?
You.
I'm your type.
Yeah.
Shit. Listen, he was winning from before. She find out say unknown T. Now, he might go get the gold medal. Zip. You see him gold now, nothing upon him. Gone. Lead out. Lead out.
What's your time?
My type.
You.
Tall, dark and handsome.
Boy.
I'll reply in the DMs.
Say no more.
Get the number!
Wait, just like that.
My type. Tall, dark and handsome.
Am I your type?
I'll reply in the DMs.
Say no more.
Get the number! Get the number!
Easy. BTS boy.
Oh, you're some joke thing.
First date, what's your vibe?
I want a fun person, I'm not gonna lie. Because if we're gonna stay together, I've got to be fun the whole way. I don't want a boring relationship.
So the first date with my boy over here, so, over here, so, you say you don't want a relationship, you just want something. No, you say you want a relationship. Okay, so he wasn't feeling his energy. That's why, alright.
This is great, though.
No banter.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry.
No banter.
No banter.
I'll be honest with you, we're actually enjoying this. Like, unknown T, he's got galley on him.
There we
I
go.
can't tell you that. I can't even tell you the second half of my name. So,
Line from him song, I see what Chunks did there. Gally and the unknown T. Missy when did this.
come on, you get it. I'll treat you correct still. Alright, say no more, say less.
Hey, don't do that. About time.
Watch out the after still.
Alright, go on, team.
When said to her?
Hey, don't do that. About time.
Watch out.
I might chat to you after still. I might. You might. You better. You better. Girl hot. Girl hot.
The after still.
Alright, go on, team.
I'm actually buzzing to see you.
Can't lie, well, I can do that.
At least you man know why the girl them love tea.
I'm hearing Block Valley.
Here he is, March 2021.
My brother born in March 2021.
Hey.
Hi.
How are you, darling?
I'm good. How are you?
I think T win already.
Mara.
I think T win already. Let's see how Jack does.
She's feeling him, though. She's feeling my man. She look
Genuinely.
looking him, though.
Philly a fuck rate. Philly knows it. That part the earth I don't see, you know, look at Philly laugh.
Feeling my man.
Genuinely the best girl we've had in.
Stop it
Up a
now.
shot.
Look, she's not doing the hair thing, the grips and hair thing. His thing was different.
Okay, so what's your type?
Don't really have a type. I vibe with the person.
T, did you realise how she was moving in front of you? You didn't even clock.
Yeah, she was nervy.
Bro, you know she's
Nervous.
doing this with her hair.
I don't take my serious. I don't take myself serious. Like,
She was fidgeting. She
She's
wasn't
doing my
still.
thing, you know?
I can't lie, do you know how excited I am to see who she chooses out of you two?
so what are you looking for in a man, though?
I do want you to be financially stable because, you know, I do want to get treated like a lady.
Okay, all right. Yes, we know that. Yes, we know that. But what you bring to the table? Mara, what are you bringing to the table? Make sure the table is set. Make sure you bring the tablecloth. Make sure you bring the little mat them for put the plate and pan and the cup them pan when you have your cup of tea. Make sure say you bring the little fruit bowl. Make sure say you bring the plate, not just empty plate too, you know. Cause the boss will bring the table. So you want to be looked after. You can look after one man, Mara. That's what I ask you. Big up yourself, you look good. But can you look after one man? That is my question to you, Mara. Big up yourself still.
She's saying she wants a man that's financially stable.
Was that 40?
Have you got that? Have you got that?
Yeah, I do still.
Yeah, that's fine then.
Have you heard of a passport brunch?
No.
Okay. We go on a brunch somewhere, right? You bring your passport, okay?
Okay.
We have a couple drinks,
Fly out.
and then we just go to the airport. Right there and then.
Bumbleclad.
PCR!
Yo, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that. Me, I'm gonna try that one day. I swear to God, with me, I'm gonna try that. Watch, I'll see me. I'm gonna try.
Drinks, and then we just go to the airport. Right there and then.
Right there and then?
PCR test!
Yeah,
Look
go
at the
ahead.
board and we go, we're going there.
Yeah?
And we're off.
You can't do that. You can't do
You
that.
have to book the flight in advance. It sounds good.
And you
but
got to do
gotta
PCR test.
Can you cook?
I can chef.
You can chef?
I can chef,
I'm
babe.
so good.
What can you chef?
I'm Portuguese, so of course I can chef.
Yeah, love, I'm in.
Português.
Português.
Fala,
You know what I
só
mean?
Paulo.
Portuguese.
I can speak in Portuguese.
Elefante gordo.
Latina.
Is it?
That's where Portugal is, no?
She don't care like that, man. She
Oh,
just...
she don't care about your team.
This is your territory.
You honest.
I've loved the beach in Portugal.
Do
The
you?
beach. 'Cause I used to
So
surf.
right.
I used to surf.
You're a surfer?
Yeah, I used to surf.
You surfer. Yes, the man a surfer. The man was surfing in your hole and don't wet up the wall of your shit. The man was surfing in your hole and wet up the wall of your house. It's tsunami. Flood out. Yeah.
Surf. And I know
Teach me.
I can. Watch this. Come here, look. Stand up.
Watch this.
Alright, I need you on the floor quickly.
On the
Like
floor?
this. Yeah, like this.
Watch him. Look on our
I
body
need you
now.
to do surfing like this a little bit.
Okay.
But watch
And then
out.
straight away, pat.
Nah.
What the f is Jack Fowler
No, but
doing,
she
fam?
got confidence though. The fact she's doing
No,
it.
no, she's lit. But what is bro doing?
So we're surfing now.
We're surfing.
now. And then. Right, okay, stop, stay there, stay there, stay there. Genuinely, rotate your right.
Oh, he's trying to hold it! Oh, sh!
This way. There.
Chunks, don't go around there.
Trying to grab my thing.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. You know exactly what I do. It's bad. Watch out.
That's it.
I like that.
Hey?
Let's
You
go.
know exactly what I do.
Yeah? Me and you would vibe.
Bro just caught a wine. He's doing vibes cartel on the date.
I know you took.
Oh, Vibe Carter jumping at this. Vibe Carter their prison. Oh, Carter jumping at this, Chunks. What kind of Vibe Carter them I do? Eh? The man not do the Vibe Carter, brother. What the bumper clock there, Chunks? Yo, Carter out of this, Chunks.
But I'm a big man.
You are.
I want to take your number.
I don't give out my number on the first date.
How am I going to contact you about this?
You are.
I want to take your number.
I don't give out my number on the first date.
How am I going to contact you about getting on a second date?
Take the number then. Get the phone out.
You got the number. You got the number.
You get a number?
You got the number.
Then the flap. On the deflated now, the man get the number. Deflated like a balloon. Balloon.
You got the number. And you know what we're gonna have to do? Call the number.
Yeah, call the number, see if the number right.
Call the number. This. Alright, tell me when he gets the number.
What was that?
Because
What was
let me call
that?
this, because I know what happened last time to Chunks.
Unknown caller.
She called it herself.
That's you.
Is that the right number? Let's just make sure that's... Chunks, call the number. Call the number.
F you.
Fuck you.
Unknown caller.
That's how you do it.
How's he trying to get onto me for this? Yo.
Chunks don't want it, just next.
Hey, Jack Fowler.
I'm going to check the schedule, because the schedule's a bit busy.
I understand that.
Yo, me like this. If I don't want to see me react to more of this, let me know. I like the show. I like the show. I like it.
We've got 10 seconds, but it's going to be busy, but we're going to do something.
Okay, I like that. Come on. It was nice meeting you, Jack.
We're walking out together like it's Love Island.
Love Island, you know. Yo!
Wait, you got that?
She went. Them gal can't wait to get home to tell all their brethren. She was like. You hear that? On my mum.
Can I say something?
No, can I say something? You help me out.
Can I say, I don't know why I violated you, bro. Bro, I'm sorry, fam.
Yeah.
Big man thing.
These men are good men. They're good men still. They're good men still.
I'm so wow. Where's my story? I just got hit on the head.
I just wanted to secure it, bro.
Come on, Philly, man.
Wow.
Yo, Philly, go on date
Yeah,
too?
you're beautiful.
So are you.
You got a lovely smile.
Think. Wow.
Like he gave it a little kiss and she grabbed the back of him head, fam.
Done that.
At the first, me hear Anonti speak so clearly, I can understand him. The first, Anonti at the first.
Like he gave it a little kiss and she grabbed the back of him head, fam.
So why you never talk like that in your song, Anonti? Yo!
Done that.
God, did they still the nails and the hair for me? What do you do with yourself?
I'm a carer.
I love that.
Yeah, so I look after old people.
Oh, that's a mad rewarding job.
But I take
Nice.
pictures on the side.
Like influencer vibes.
Yeah.
Look at the way her thing sits on the chair and that.
Yeah, like that's essentially what I do to a certain extent. So if we linked up and done like a
Did some
couple bits for the gram, mad.
Who's she choosing?
Let me see the fit. See, like right now you can do like the boyish swag if you wanted to, but can you do like heels and dress as
Oh,
well?
100%. I'll give it to you.
Yeah, cool. She had her mind made up before.
You make me nervous, but in a good way, you know.
Really?
And I'm not even a nervous person.
Can't lie, this was a technical situation for the.
So far, she had 4 dates. Yeah, she had 4 dates so far. Him not go yet. The first guy is a no-no. Anonti might be. Jack or Jake might be. Philly, we don't know yet. Let's see.
The nation.
What are you on? Like, what is it you want right now?
Want to enjoy life if it gets into something serious. Because, again, picky. I'm a very picky person.
So who do you like though? Because you were feeling my man, then my man,
Yeah, yeah.
All of them?
I also get bored quite easily, so I kind of need that pressure.
Like, who's she on? Who's she really on? Like, who does she like?
There's no.
She like up on the head, she like up on the
If I was to put it in order, I would genuinely say Philly, T, and then Jack Fowler.
I'm having a house party tonight.
Is that so?
Yeah, apartment party if you wanna come.
I guess you get to see me in dressing heels then.
Ooh.
Boss, I win.
Talk about dress and heels.
What
Boss,
colour
I
dress though, so I know what to wear?
What's your favourite colour?
You
Red.
look sexy in red, you know.
Red. I'm gonna say red.
Game, you know.
Yeah, she's the most.
I'm with this. She's finessing all the man.
Like,
What are you? No. I want to speak to you now. What are you
Okay.
on?
Would you still want to take a Portugal after this?
Well, I don't care. I'll still do it.
I can't lie, I'm on whatever. You know, like if I went on camera, the energy would have been completely different.
Is that so?
What?
Well, why are you not giving it to me?
Ish.
Oh, minus 2.
I
So
like
tonight at the AP, vibes,
Okay, I like
juice, AP, hear what I said, AP.
Batman.
Yeah, we're living right.
Man said, yeah, we're living right.
Like, I just like looks, but I've seen girls that are from like India, like China, Somalia, England, like there's so many
like a bit of
beautiful-
everything.
No, but I can just
You
appreciate
appreciate-
beauty, do you get what I'm
I
saying?
like
So
that.
like,
Name in every country in the world.
Do you know what it is? She's with you, she's with me, and with Philly.
Tall, dark and handsome. Mixed race downwards.
therefore not.
Oh no, take that back. Take that back.
mixed race.
No. Any flavour.
She want bread. Yeah. She want money.
Yeah.
She want fly out.
Yeah, she wanna fly out. She wanna fly out, Chunks. You have it right. Fly right, my boy. Make you fly out. Money she want for true.
Business.
Why did you think about it? I feel like secretly, like mixed. You're allowed to like what you like, you know.
No. I want everyone to know that I like everything.
Jack. Oh!
So really, you're on Jack.
No one said
So
that.
why did you say Jack to the camera?
Did you hear that?
I heard Jack.
I didn't. I did
So
not
Jack,
hear
my
that.
brother.
Love Island, man.
See what girl I like Mandem. Love.
Oh, shit.
Kevin Trellis, she's never had that before in her life. She's never had that.
Yeah,
Wait, why did you do that?
yeah. Walk out left or right. Walk out. Oh, if you're on date with me And I tell him, and I sneak it. You never sneak it, because the man hear it. You sneak and say, Jack, move your blood clot. You and Jack move on a bumbo clot. Jack, me not have nothing against you, but me want kick in your kidney, make you spit the testicles through your mouth. That me want to do to you, Jack. Move your blood clot. Me hate Jack now. Jack, me not like you again. I joke, Jack. Jack. Make up yourself, G. Make up yourself.
What do you just do? I'm back.
Jack, she's on you, man.
Yeah.
I'm back.
Do I leave? Do I stay? What do I do?
She's on Jack.
Go on, your bumper clot. How do you live? Where do you
Mum,
stay?
So she was, so at first she said she's like tall, dark and handsome, and then she goes, no, I like everything. Jack.
Wait, are we watching the same thing, you know?
On my life.
I'm back.
But hold on, let me say bye to her. Alright, let's stay there,
She's reflecting. Look, she's reflecting.
No, because she actually can't come to the AP for the party. But seriously, she actually can't come to the AP. I'm actually having a party, yeah. So, I'll talk to you later.
What just happened? Are we watching the same day? Yeah, I thought that was a sick day.
No one said that. Like, you're doing so much.
No,
Can you just
don't.
sit back down. We've actually got 2 more minutes.
Oh, she wants this. Bro, I told you she's onto him, bro.
He said Jack to me.
No, I did.
Sometime, yeah, I'm telling you this. Sometime a girl like a man when I go sit down to no bullshit. A girl like a man for be a man sometime. And when do a while ago, me would have do the same thing. But I don't think I would have go back in there because I would have been pissed. I wouldn't go back in there. Me too ignorant for that. But Philly, you gone back in there, pick up yourself, bro. You gone back inside, pick up yourself. Jack, move your bumbo clap. Me not like a joke, Jack. Pick up yourself, Jack. Jack Flower, pick up yourself, bro. I'm just joking, G.
Then I take it back.
Like,
Sit
even
down.
just think
Just
that in your
sit
head, but
down.
you can't say that to me out loud. Like, lie to my face if you have to.
She might be still interested in Philly. Find out in the next episode of Just.
I'm sorry.
Hey, don't bother the fucker now.
I didn't mean it.
She's so good.
I don't know why.
I can't lie. You know what it is? I respect you. Lot have all been hustled.
I just like that I can tell you just want to have fun.
Absolutely.
You're not
Life's
taking-
too short.
Trust me, I respect that.
You know, life's too short and I want to have fun just basically means more, right?
Yeah.
I just know, like, you get me, that was for camera as well, man's got to, like, get some look. But make sure you come
That
later.
was also for camera.
Oh, let her do her thing, man. What the fam?
Okay, let's go. Are we done?
Wow. Would you by the way, man? You get one more hug before I go.
Look, Philly's won now.
I don't know.
You're so sweet. You see? If him this sit down there like a little pum-pum, like a little pussy pum-pum and punani, if him this sit there, she would have walk over him. But because him walk out, leave her standing, she never had that before. Because she hot. So no man not go want treat her no kind of coarse, no kind of harsh way. But the boss do it, the boss say, you listen me a man. Now go make you do that. You see me? Philly, pick up yourself, G. Me rate that.
Be sure of yourself, fam.
This gal, I rate her.
She's
If
a
I was a
hustler.
gal betting man, on my mum's, I'm putting it on Jack.
Yeah,
No,
100.
I'm personally putting it on him.
Can I say
another
something?
bet.
Bro, he left the table and came back.
No, but you left the bait, come back and still.
She said come back here.
We all view things different, you know? You think that's nuts? How I viewed it a certain way, he's convinced it was me.
I respect her. Look what she's
No,
done.
do you know
to us.
what? Look what she's called.
Hear this. I don't give a no. I will take it last.
Yeah, man, go watch more of that show, yeah. I like that show, yeah. I like that show, yeah, dog. I like that show, yeah.
And yeah, he was good vibes.
Alright, cool. Pause it. Based on the 3 interviews, yeah, I'm the only one that got a negative comment. So
Wait. I'm actually nervous.
Yo, what the next one then? More watch the next one. This is what? See, season 5, episode 4. More see episode 5. If you don't want to see episode 5 with me, tell me in the comment section to react to it. Bumbuckler, this hook me, dog. This got me, bro. Me like this. Philly, big up yourself. Chunks, big up yourself. Anonti, big up yourself. The next you, big up yourself. Jack, big up yourself to me, G. I was just joking, bro. Don't take me serious. You hear that? Big up yourself. But yo, this one I'm gonna leave that one there. Mara, big up yourself to me, girl. This one I'm gonna leave that one there. If you enjoy the one, please leave a like. Please subscribe around there. If you're new, and don't forget to share and tell a friend that Jamaica came is doing some crazy reaction. Outside! And I get them outside. Yeah, Mara, big up yourself, mama. Outside. Oh.